Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself frustrated by not knowing how to rotate a page or switch between landscape and portrait designs in Canva, this video is for you. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to resize and rotate your Canva pages with confidence, giving your designs the exact look and orientation you want. Let's jump right in and get started. First things first, head over to Canva. If you don't already have it open, just type Canva.com into your browser and log in. The platform's interface is super user-friendly, so once you're on the homepage, you should feel right at home. Now let's kick things off by clicking the purple Create a Design button. You'll usually find this in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking here opens up several options, but since we want more control over the size and shape of our design, we'll select Custom Size. This is perfect for when you want your canvas to fit specific dimensions. Maybe you're working on a digital invitation, a flyer, or a social media banner that needs a unique layout. For this example, let's set our custom size to 100 by 50 pixels. Think of this as making a wide rectangle, which is landscape orientation. Once you've entered those numbers, click Create New Design. Don't worry if you're unsure about the measurements for your own project. Canva makes it easy to adjust later, and you can always experiment with different sizes until it feels just right. With your new blank canvas open, it's time to add an element. On the left-hand toolbar, you'll see the Elements tab. Click on that, and in the search bar, type in Background. This is a handy shortcut to quickly pull up lots of background visuals and textures, perfect if you want to set the tone right away. Go ahead and click on a background you like, and it'll snap onto your page. Now, maybe you realize halfway through your design that you actually need a different page orientation. No problem at all. To resize or rotate your page, look at the very top left of your Canvas screen for the Resize button. It's a powerful feature and a real lifesaver, especially if your design direction changes or you need to adapt things for multiple uses. Let's say you want to flip your page from landscape to portrait or vice versa. Click Resize, then once again select Custom Size. Here's the trick, just swap the values. So change your width to 50 and your height to 100. It's kind of like turning a piece of paper on its side. Suddenly your workspace is tall and vertical instead of wide and horizontal. This gives you the flexibility to create content for all kinds of projects, whether you're designing a poster, a phone wallpaper, or anything else. If you want to keep your current design as it is and also make a new rotated version, just use the Copy and Resize option. This duplicates your existing work onto a new canvas with the updated dimensions, so you don't have to start from scratch. But if you simply want to update what you already have, there's a Resize This Design button. Click it, and your page instantly logs the new shape. And that's truly all there is to it. Whether you're prepping graphics for social media, printing out invitations, or just playing with layouts, Canva makes it astonishingly simple to rotate and resize your pages in just a few clicks. If this walkthrough helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. It really supports the channel. If you have any questions or there's another Canva feature you'd love to see explained, drop a comment below and I'll be sure to respond. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy, helpful design tutorials every week. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.